I can't do it. I'm really bad at that, but I can show you some beatboxing. So if you want to do a B sound, buh, buh. I'm weird. Buh, 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 buh. But you don't have to add the buh, the in it. You can just go. Oh dang, I'm 3 minutes in. That is not that long. So we're only gonna be recording for 20. I don't know how much minutes. So this is the. I don't know what sound, but like sound. The TS sound. Pretty much a T sound. And if we're gonna learn how to do this, I don't really know how to explain it. Like, I can't really do it. Like, I know a YouTuber who could go, the bot. No. Luke Skywalker, I am your father. I can't do it. It's weird. I'm not no professional, but I can beatbox. We did a C sound. The CH sound. Well, the K sound. So you pretty much just put your tongue up here and put air through that here in your mouth and like do it on both sides, but don't put a lot of air, just go. But put that, like, try to put that like, I mean, wait, if you want to do the weird thing, I don't know, I just watch people do it, like,